Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide likes on Instagram. So giving users a choice to conceal likes from their own post or from other Instagram posts, Instagram opted to strike a balance. And they are giving the users the option to hide likes themselves, which is also helpful to some Instagram users. So how are we going to hide likes on Instagram? First, you have to go to your Instagram application and go to your profile. And as you can see here, this is my post and obviously no one liked it. So if there are lots of people who like this post, then you can see it right here. So to hide this one, all you have to do is to click the three dots and click this hide likes. As you can see, something will pop up, like count hidden. So that's how easy it is to hide likes on Instagram. Okay, so if you're going to see or view that post again, you can see here one person who liked and others. So that's how easy it is. Also, you can do this if you're about to post something. Let's just say you want to post a picture or a video and you want to hide likes. So all you have to do is to select a picture or video, click this next arrow. Okay, click OK and then tap next again. And then here, all you have to do is to scroll down and look for advanced or advanced settings. Click this one. And there you can see hide like count on this post. All you have to do is to turn this one on. And that's it. Only you will see the number of likes on this post. Now you can go back and edit some information there. You can add some captions or you can add some, or you can tag people, add location, and so on. Now, once you're done with this, you can now tap share, and that's how easy it is. It's only you who can see who will like this post. So that's how easy it is to hide likes on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.